Hello, today is November 5th, 2025, and I wanted to show you the new t-shirts that have come in and their various colors. Here are the smalls. They do run very small, almost child size. Are the mediums in the reds and pinks, and this new color, I call it the ballet pink. It's kind of a very pale but warm pink and bright yellow. And here are the mediums in the greens and blues and white, gray, and black. And this this gray has a hint of blue in it. So if you were to wear it with like dark blue, the blue would probably stand out. If you wore it with white or black, the gray would stand out. Anyway, those are the mediums. Here are the larges in reds and pinks with the ballet pink and the bright yellow. Are the larges in the greens, blues, white, gray, and black. The pink and red and the blues and purples are the most requested. That's why I have mostly reds, pinks, and blues. And a lot of people request the black, gray, and white as well. So those are the larges. Here are the extra larges in the same kind of colors. I want to point out this periwinkle. I just absolutely, that's one of my favorites, periwinkle. It's kind of a cross between blue and purple, and it's really nice. I have a lot of them with black lettering this time, because a lot of times we wear black leotards and black dance pants and things like that, so that goes nicely. Here are the 2X's in reds, pinks, yellow, and green. There are more 2X's in turquoisey blue. The dark navy blue is a new color here. I don't know if you can see that well, but this is it almost looks gray, but it's really a kind of a navy, dark navy blue. And the black and gray and purple, of course. Here are some 3X's. We've got pink and turquoise over there, or aqua. And then on this side, we've got the periwinkle, purple, gray, and black. One 4X in purple. Remember, when you look at this video, know that it's November 2025, and if you happen to be looking at this video, say August of 2026, most of these will be gone. So if you want to order quickly. Again, we can't guarantee. You can put as your selection, say reds, pinks, and then maybe in the description area, put more specifically, like, oh, I want the ballet pink in size medium, let's say. And I will try to come as close to your request as possible, but no guarantee in case it might be sold out. We'll get, the next closest color to your favorite. So I also put this on the conference information pages for people to pre-order before conferences. So if you're looking at it in YouTube, just know that this video is meant for, for the web page and for conference information pages, because a lot of people want to get them for the conferences. So here's the new t-shirts. Blessings.